Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, I am Tangela and I'm so glad you're here. Welcome. In today's video, I'm sharing some Black History home decor ideas. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It will help my channel grow, and please subscribe to my channel. It's free, and hit the bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a video. Let's get started. Here I have a 15 by 15 round wood frame or wood piece that I got from Aldi's, and it was marked down for $1.99, so that was a great price for this size wood round. As you can see, I was just removing the staples and the tag off of it. So I'm going to set that aside, and I'm going to take this material that I have in this African print, and we're gonna cut out the piece that we need, and then we're gonna attach it to the board with some Mod Podge and mat. And after attaching it to the round piece, we're going to just also put some Mod Podge on top. After drying overnight, you can see that Mod Podge dries clear. I'm going to let it dry overnight. So now we're just going to cut away the excess material. And here I have some drawer pulls that I'm going to use for handles for my tray, and I got these handles from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use a little bit of Mod Podge just to kind of mark where I need to drill my holes. So I'll be drilling 4 holes to attach my 2 handles. And this is how it turned out. Or hang it on a wall like a picture. Here I have this material that a very good friend of mine gave me. And I have this wreath form from Dollar Tree. I'm going to cut this material up in strips, and we're going to apply it to the wreath form with some hot glue. Just want to remind everybody, be careful with those hot glue guns, because the burn is real. So I put my hot gun on low temperature just so it won't melt the foam of the wreath. And I'm just going to take my material and I'm just going to wrap it around the wreath form at an angle so that it gives more coverage. And that's because I do not have ample material. So we want to cover them up as much as we can. Here it is, all finished. We're going to sit that aside for a moment, and then we're going to work on our sign. I have 3 paint colors here, all from Folk Art, and we're going to paint this sign. The wood sign comes from Dollar Tree. I'm not an artist, but we're gonna put some paint on this sign. And I do want to point out that I'm also gonna paint the sides of the sign with the corresponding color, just to have it look neater and cleaner. And I got a new Cricut machine for Christmas, and I thought I'd give it a try. So here I made a sign in the Cricut design space, and we're gonna put this on our sign. So I'm using this scraper craft tool. That's just helping me press the letters down onto the sign so that I can peel my transfer paper off. And here we go. Let's see if I can get it all pulled off without messing it up.
I did it.
I know that sounds very juvenile, but let me tell you, I was very excited. So here I'm just adding a hanger, which I've made from a piece of yarn. I'm gonna hot glue that on, and I'm using my finger protector to press the yarn into the hot glue. And I'm also just gonna take a random piece of thin cardboard from a packaging, and I'm gonna put that on the yarn just to make sure it's sturdy. Now we're just going to attach the sign that we made. And here's how this turned out. Turned out pretty good, I think. This is a very easy DIY. Here I have a little plate that I got from Dollar Tree, and this is some black paint from Apple Barrel. We're gonna paint both the front and back side of this plate, and we're going to take a gold paint marker, and I'm just gonna outline the edge of it just to give it a little more character. And then I have this cutout here that I got from a Black History calendar, and we're going to apply it to the plate. Told you it was going to be quick and easy. And this is how it turned out. I think it's just absolutely cute. And here are all three of the projects in this video. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope you are inspired to make your own. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.